What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. In this video we are going to replace a corrupt SD card in a security camera high on a pole while it is sitting there. Sorry, but I'm using this voice recorder here. SD cards can get corrupted, especially when they are used 24/7 continuously and in all weather conditions like here, winter and summer, in wind and in rain. It is the Wanscam PTZ security camera with the card delivered inside and hard to reach. You have to open the camera on the print. There is a spot where you can slide the card into. I had two choices. One, remove the camera from there and do the work inside. Two, do it on the pole outside while it is sitting there. I choose the latter one because there were only 4 screws to remove, and in the other case I had to open the box where the cables got connected. And that box was perfectly waterproof, like it was. So I would rather leave it like that. Here is the Wanscam camera, and these are the 4 bolts that needs to be removed to lower the half of the camera. When you unscrew the 4 bolts and let the lower half come down a bit, then you can see the print like I show it here, and the SD card, you can slide it into its position like it's shown on the photo here. So now let's start up the program and let's see what we can find on the SD card. We can see what it has recorded by the date. And when we open the folder of the images, we can see a lot of corrupted names. Also, the amount of kilobytes per JPEG doesn't seem to be correct, and they had the most weirdest amounts. And when you try to open one of those corrupt JPEGs, you just get nothing at all. And if you try to format the SD card, it says format succeed, but there's nothing done on the SD card at all. Also, when you stop the SD card, it doesn't stop at all. You can always try to get the content of the card, and it keeps showing all those corrupted files again. Even though it says no SD card in the system, you can always browse the SD card, as you can see. So that is the weirdest situation, and we have to change that card, and we will see what happens then. The camera is mounted at a height of 5 meters on the pole, and the first screw I tried to unscrew already got stuck, and I had to go down to get another screwdriver. The second attempt went a lot smoother. Stay tuned. After unscrewing the last screw, I could open the lower half of the camera, just to find the card at the back side of the camera instead of in front, like it was in the first camera that I had. And on top of that, it was mounted on the smaller print above the base print, and the card had to be inserted upside down in comparison to the first camera that I have. Nevertheless, all went smooth. Now let's open the program again. You can see immediately that the file names are okay and there are no corrupted files anymore. Also, the JPEGs can get looked at and zoomed in like it should, and the camera tilt and zoom modes work perfectly and smooth again. Job completed. So guys, this is again a wrap for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Visit us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.